You try to produce the maximum of high-value product with the minimum quantity of
Very
crude oil.
good. That's a good thinking. I like that. So essentially, you look at the outputs. You know, a refinery can produce many oil derivatives. You know, naphtha, crude oil, heating oil, gasoline, diesel, kerosene. And those outputs have different prices in the market. And those prices move all the time. So for the next 2-3 months, you look at those products that have the highest price, and you shift your production to produce the ones that attract higher prices. And you have the ability and the flexibility to do so. So we are going to produce, let's say, 5 possible. Let's focus on the 2 or 3 that have the highest price for selling. That's one way to maximize revenues.